What that girl be saying, ain't nobody tell me nothing. I have been using this for the last like 5-6 months, doing the oranges and the lemons and the ginger with some honey. I took my daughter to the doctor like a while ago, and the doctor told me just like give her some honey, but then I found this on TikTok, and when I say it's been working, it's been working. This is so much better than giving them medicine. I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old, but I also have older kids too, and I've been giving it to the older kids just in case type of thing. And this has been working. So if you're a mom and you like tired of buying like cough medicine, try this. It's so easy to make. It's just oranges, lemons, ginger, and some honey. You gotta try it. My daughter's congestion was gone within 2 days. You gotta try it. What that girl be saying, ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Calling out all TikTokers under 5,000. All TikTokers under